If you have a large amount of inventory across multiple locations, then updating your product quantities can seem a little overwhelming. Today, we'll show you how to edit product quantities across multiple locations with a CSV file for fast and hassle-free updates. Hey everyone, it's Ali with Shopify. You might be asking, why do I want to update products with a CSV file? Or what is a CSV file? A CSV file, or comma-separated value file, is used to store data. You can use a CSV file to update information in your Shopify admin in bulk. Let's jump into the Shopify admin and get started. Start by clicking Products, and then click Inventory. This is a list of your product variants and quantities. On this page, you see two buttons, Export and Import. Click Export to download a CSV file of your inventory. From the pop-up, choose the inventory you want to export and select what location to export from. We're selecting all variants for all locations using a CSV for spreadsheet program. If your store sells products while you're editing the CSV file, then your inventory quantities in the CSV file won't be completely accurate. For best results, work with CSV files when your store isn't making online sales and your retail locations are closed. Next, click Export Variants. Depending on the size of your file, it either downloads to your device or you receive the CSV by email. After you download the file, open the CSV using a spreadsheet program like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. The spreadsheet can only be used to update inventory quantities. Other details in the spreadsheet, like the handle or SKU, are just for reference. If you want to use a CSV file to update anything other than inventory, then download a product CSV file. Product CSVs can be exported and imported from the products page. To update your inventory quantities, scroll to the end of the spreadsheet where you'll see the columns with your names of the locations. Type your updated inventory count in the columns for each location. For example, if you want to add 25 units of inventory to the classic short sleeve t-shirt in the New York location, type 25 into the inventory cells under that location. You can also choose to stock or unstock products at your locations. To unstock a product, type not stocked into the cell in either uppercase or lowercase letters. When a product is not stocked at a location, it is not visible on the point of sale devices that are used at that location. If you use a third-party fulfillment location or app to manage inventory, then you see it listed here beside the location columns. Right now, you can only manage inventory with multiple locations in Shopify or with one third-party app. This is a temporary limitation that is currently being developed. It's important to remember that when you import the CSV back into Shopify, it overwrites the inventory quantities for all of the locations that are included in the file. If you don't want to update quantities at a location, then delete the entire column for that location before you import the CSV file. When you finish updating your inventory quantities, save and export your CSV file. Customize the file name so you can easily identify it. Back on the inventory page in Shopify, click Import. In the pop-up window, click Add File or drag and drop your updated CSV file. Next, click Upload File. This starts the process of updating inventory quantities at all of your locations. In the new pop-up, click Start Import. When your inventory quantities are done updating, you receive an email letting you know if there were any errors. You can check that the update was successful by viewing a product's inventory count for a location. To do this, use the location filter on the inventory page. For example, the classic short sleeve t-shirt at the New York retail location has successfully been updated to 25. Now you know how to edit product quantities using a CSV file. To learn how to edit inventory in the Shopify admin, subscribe now for the next video in this series. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to us directly at help.shopify.com/questions.